Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix you cannot message this account on Facebook Messenger. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. Your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps icon and now search here Messenger. Now click on the Messenger and click on the force stops and click on the OK. Scroll down. Now click on the storage option and clear cache. Now click on the clear data. Now click on the delete data. Back and click on the permission option and allow all permission. Contacts, location, microphone, music and video, nearby device, notification allow, and phone allow, photos and videos allow. OK, back and click on the Play Store app and now search here Messenger and now check your Facebook Messenger update. My Facebook Messenger already updated. OK, back. Then click on the internet connection or Wi-Fi connection and click on the restore option. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.